projects for our investment. How the companies are making investment, that basically discussions we have had in the last sessions. And then after we have started a practical questions, we have done I think so one or two, three practical questions. Okay, so for evaluating the various projects, for evaluating various investment opportunities, we have some methods. That methods are known as capital budgeting methods or techniques. And these techniques, we have two categories. First one is traditional and second one is modern. In a traditional method, first we have payback period. Yeah, payback period. Shortly we know it as PBP, and PBP is equal to project cost upon annual cash inflow. This is the formula for the PBP, payback period, and according to this formula we have calculated this one. 30,000 is the project cost upon 10,000. Your answer is 3 years. Am I right? You have done this practical question. And here project accepted. Why project accepted? Because calculated PBP is less than life of project. Are we clear about this? Already we have done this question, okay? So I'm moving for the next one. Next practical question, question number 2. Already we have discussed this question again, okay? And you need to use the same formula to calculate here. And according to this formula, if you put the values, it's 1 lakh upon 20,000. Okay, and final answer is 5 years. Am I right? Project accepted because the calculated payback period is less than the life of the project. Are we clear about question number 2? Already we have done this question, so I'm not going to detail in explain. I'm not going to explain in detail. Now question number 3, I think so we have done also this calculation. Okay. In a question number 3, we have a profit. We does not have a case inflow. So whenever we have profit, first we need to find the annual case inflow, and for that, your cash inflow is equal to inflow is equal to profit plus depreciation. Here project cost is 20 lakh upon 3 lakh is a annual case inflow, and what is about the depreciation? Depreciation कितना आया था? I think so 2,50,000 or 2,75,000. In a calculation number 3, yes, 2,50,000. And finally 20,000 upon 5,50,000. क्या आंसर था यहाँ पे? Final answer of question number 3. 3.64 years. Are we clear up to question number 3? Okay. Now see the question number 4. In a question number 4, okay, as we have discussed in the last class, that it is not necessary that every year company will get the same amount. Up to this, if you see here, in that every year company earning a profit of 3 lakh. In this case, company earning a profit case in for 20,000. In this case, company earning a amount of 10,000 rupees every year. But in real life, in practical life, it is not possible to get the same profit every year. So what happens? Sometimes profit is high, sometimes profit is low. So it means the case inflow is up and down, up and down. In technical language, we call uneven case inflow. What we call uneven, which is not same for all the years. Uneven case flow. So whenever we have uneven case flow, we have done this question number 4 as per that calculation. क्या थी formula? When the case flow is uneven, year before fully recovery, year payback period is equal to year before fully recovery plus unrecovered amount divided by case inflow during the year. This is the formula. Okay. Now, for doing these calculations, let me prepare one table which help us to do the calculation in better way. Suppose here we have years. Okay. And here we have cash inflow. Now first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. 6 years are there. See the case inflow for the first year 5,000, 8,000, 10,000, 12,000, 7,000, and 3,000. Now next one is cumulative cash inflow. Cumulative cash inflow means sum total. In the first year we have 5,000. In the second year we have 8,000. 8 plus 5 means 13,000. 23,000 in the third year. 35,000. 42,000 and 45,000. Are we clear up to this? क्या तक क्लियर हो सब? मैंने जो भी डेटा दिया था वो डेटा लिखा है और ऐड कर दिया है. Now look at to the data. Initial investment or a project cost is 25,000. So where we have 25,000 in between the third and fourth year. In between the third and fourth year. So here in the fourth year we have earned a total 35,000. In the third year we have 23,000. So year before fully recovery. Fully recovery is in the year number 4. So year before fully recovery here 3 plus unrecovered amount. Now see, up to the third we have recovered 23,000. Actually we required how many rupees to recover? 25,000. 25,000 because the 25,000 is a amount or a project cost that we have invested initially. So remaining 2,000 is unrecovered amount and cash flow during the year. Year means during the year of fully recovery, and that is 12,000. So 3 plus 2 upon 12, how many? 2,000 upon 12,000. It's 0.1667 like this. So ultimately answer is 3.1667. Years. I hope so. These these four practical questions are clear now. Okay. Let me take one more example about the same, and then after we go for the next method. Up to this, any doubt, any query? How 2,000? Okay, wait बेटा. See, up to the third year हमने कितना रिकवर किया है? टोटल अमाउंट कितना वापस मिल गया हमें? 23,000. ओके. अब फोर्थ ईयर में देखो कितना हो रहा है? 35,000 टोटल मिला के. तो ईयर बिफोर फुल्ली रिकवरी, फुल्ली रिकवरी फोर्थ ईयर में है. तो ईयर बिफोर फुल्ली रिकवरी यानी कौन सा ईयर होगा? थर्ड ईयर. यहाँ तक जनी याद आ गया? समझ में आ गया? फोर्थ ईयर में तो हमें सब कुछ मिल जाएगा, 25 क्या 35 मिल जाएंगे. तो फोर्थ ईयर में तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. उससे आगे का ईयर कौन सा है? थर्ड ईयर. ओके. अब थर्ड ईयर में देखो कितना अमाउंट मिला टोटल अप टू द थर्ड ईयर. 1 2 3 3 ईयर्स तक कितना मिला? 23,000. और हमें चाहिए कितना? इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना है? द इनिशियल केस आउटफ्लो ऑफ रुपीज 25,000. Now clear? The difference between 25 and 23. Initial amount minus the amount we have before the fully recovery. Okay, let's take next example. The project involved a total initial expenditure of rupees 2 lakh. तो यहाँ पे हम लिख देते हैं project cost कितना है? The project cost is rupees 2 lakh. Okay. Estimated generated future case inflow is 30, 38, 25, 22, 36, 40, 40, 28, and 24 and 24,000 in its last year. Calculate the payback period. Okay. So let me draw one table which represent the data given to you. Okay. In each and every practical question, we will prepare the same table, okay, without any change. Year, case inflow, and cumulative case inflow. Like this. Are you with me? In each and every practical question, we will prepare this type of table. अब देखते जाओ number one by one लिखते जाते हैं. First year, the case inflow for the first year is 30,000. For the second year, case inflow is 38,000. Then after we have 25,000. Then after we have 22,000. Then after we have 36,000. Then after we have 40,000. Then after again we have 40,000. Then after again we have 28,000. And next we have 24,000. Lastly again we have 24,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 years data we have. Okay, 10 years data we have and case inflow for 10 years is given to you. What will we need to do in the next stage? आगे क्या करेंगे? Now, add the total of case inflow every year. It means calculate the aggregate in case inflow or calculate the cumulative case inflow. So on the first year, we will get 30,000 only. In the second year, 30,000 plus 38,000. It means 68,000. Now, in the third year, it means sum total of 1 to 3. Karo calculation. 30 plus 38 plus 25, how many? 93. Very good. Fourth year, it means 1 to 4. 93 plus 22. एक बोल रहा है 93, एक बोल रहा है 92. Which one is right? It's 1,15,000. Very good. 1,15,000 plus 36,000. 1,8,1,000. Sorry. It's 1,3,1. 3 है तो 5 होगा यहाँ पे. Sorry. Moving ahead. 1,51,000 plus 40,000. Okay, 1,91,000. Very good. Moving ahead for the next. 1,91,000 plus 40,000. 2,31,000. I'm right up to this. Are you with me? Okay, now look at to here. Here initial project cost is 2 lakh. So if you are not willing to do the calculation for this one and this one, it is fine. अगर ये तीनों का कैलकुलेशन नहीं लिखोगे तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन हम अच्छे स्टूडेंट हैं तो हम पूरा टेबल कंप्लीट करेंगे. ओके, सो 2,59,000. Then after 2,83,000. अगर मेरी कोई गलती हो तो मुझे बताना. And final answer for the 10th year. 3,07,000. I'm right? If I'm not making any mistake. Yes. Okay. Now we need to calculate payback period PBP, but here case inflow is not even. It is not same for all the year. It is different from all the years. So we use the second formula when the case inflow is uneven. So PBP is equal to year before fully recovery plus unrecovered amount upon case inflow during the year. Now see, in which year we will get the fully recovery. It means in which year we will get the 2 lakh rupees exit or more than 2 lakh rupees. In which year? On the 7th year, we will get 2,31,000. Okay. So year before fully recovery. Year before fully recovery means year before this recovery. It means here we have fully recovery. इसका मैं थोड़ा highlight कर देता हूँ. So before this one means which year? 6 years. Okay, so 6 plus unrecovered amount. Now see here, up to the 6 year we have covered 1,91,000 and we need to recover 2 lakh rupees because the project core or initial investment is 2 lakh rupees. So which amount is still pending to recover or which amount is unrecovered? बात समझ में आ रहा है? 6 ईयर तक, 6th के ईयर तक, लास्ट जो 6वां ईयर है उस तक हमने 1,91,000 रुपीज कमा लिया फ्रॉम दिस प्रोजेक्ट. कमाने कितने थे to recover full amount? 2 lakh rupees. So 9,000 is still pending that we need to earn. So 9,000 upon. Now case inflow during the year of fully recovery, the case inflow is 40,000. So do the calculation. 6 plus 9 upon 40. 9 upon 40. You will get 0.225 if I am not making any mistake. So the final answer will be 6.225 years. Are we clear, everyone? If I ask the same question, you are able to do the solution in 8 marks. Okay, we will ask all these practical questions in 8 marks only. चलो वापस से एक बार रिपीट कर देता हूँ क्योंकि इसके बाद हम नया मेथड स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. ओके, तो रिपीट कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद आगे बढ़ते हैं. In a practical question, when we have case inflow in uneven manner, okay, or in all the years the case flow is not equal, not the same, at that time we will use this formula. The formula is very simple. PBP is equal to year before fully recovery plus unrecovered amount upon case flow during the year. So for finding out the year before fully recovery or unrecovered amount or case flow during the year, we need to prepare this table. Okay, first we write the years like this. Okay, and then after we will write the amount of case inflow in a second column. In a third column we will write aggregate case inflow or cumulative case inflow, in which we add all the years case inflow. 1 in a 2, 1 plus 2, in a third 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, and 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, like this. After preparing this table, now we look at or we compare this amount with the initial investment. Here initial investment is 2 lakh rupees. So we will find that in which year we will get the amount of 2 lakh or nearby 2 lakh. So on 7th year, our case inflow is 2,31,000, and in the 6th year it's 1,91,000. So it means answer is in between 6 and 7. After identifying this one, we have put these values in the formula. So year before fully recovery 7th year में है, तो year before fully recovery 6th year. Unrecovered amount, the difference between 2 lakh and amount of 6 year, जो भी fully recovery के year का पहले से year जो ईयर है उसके साथ कंपैरिजन करना है. याद रखना, कई बार स्टूडेंट मिस्टेक करते हैं. ओके, तो जो फुल्ली रिकवरी से पहले का ईयर है उसके साथ हम कंपेयर करके इन डिफरेंस फाइंड करेंगे, डिवाइडेड बाय केस फ्लो ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. केस फ्लो ड्यूरिंग द ईयर इज 40,000 and you will get 6.225 years. Sir, this sum will come in mid one? No, in a mid one we have only unit 1 and unit 2. So shall we move for the next one? Okay, write down the next title. Discounted payback period. Write down the title. Second method. Okay. First method is payback period. In a payback period, we have two types of sums. When the case inflow is same for all the years, and when the case inflow is not same for the all the years, it's not uniform. Now we have method number two, discounted payback period. Write down the title. Okay. Do you remember the concept of present value? The concept of present value you have studied in unit number one. Okay. The same concept is applicable here while doing the investment evaluations. Now see, let me explain this. Okay. See, I have invested 50,000 rupees in a bank FD for next 10 years. Suppose मैंने कितना लगाया है 50,000 rupees in a bank FD. Bank will give me a 8% interest. Suppose so. On the first year, I will get 8%. On the second year, I will get third year, 4 year, 5th year, 6th year, up to the 10 years. As 10 years are completed, now I can withdraw my FD. So आप सिंपल इंटरेस्ट अगर कैलकुलेट करोगे तो 50,000 पे 8% करो, कितने होंगे? 8% of 50,000, it's 4,000. Okay, it's for 1 year. How many years we have? We have 10 years. So 4,000 into 10. It's 40,000 now. What we have invested? What we have invested? We have invested 50,000. 50 plus 40. 90,000 we will get after 10 years. Are you getting my point? 50,000 I have invested in a bank FD after a 10 years because my FD is for 10 years. So after 10 years, I will get a 90,000 rupees. Now, can you tell me that 90,000, after a 10 years, okay, suppose I have started my FD in 2020, so that I will receive in 2030. So 90,000 rupees in 2020 and 90,000 rupees in 2030, both are same. अभी मेरे पास 90,000 हो और 2030 में मुझे 90,000 मिले, both are same. No, in terms of currency maybe same. Okay, in terms of maybe currency, 500 notes means 500 notes and 100 notes and 2,000 notes will be there, but the monetary value will not remain same. As the time pass, the value of the money will decline, or else whatever I can purchase from 90,000 rupees right now, I am not able to purchase the same things in 2030 with that 90,000. Are you getting my point? Concept clear हो रहा है सबको? अगर मेरे पास अभी 90,000 होते तो 90,000 में से जो गुड्स जो प्रोडक्ट में परचेज कर सकता हूँ वो 10 years के बाद 90,000 में डेफिनेटली नहीं कर पाऊंगा. So it means as a time pass, some factors are affecting to monetary value of the fund, monetary value of the currencies, and that factor is known as discounting factor. Okay, and that will reduce the actual power, actual monetary value of the money. And that's why when we have some investment, when we have some projects, before going for the investment of projects, first we check the payback period, but we check a payback period with the present value. With the present value means if we receive 8,000, 5,000, 3,000 after a 2 years, after a 5 years, after a 10 years, what will be the present value of that 8,000, 5,000, 10,000 right now? क्योंकि मैं अगर कहीं पे इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहा हूँ, मान लो कि मैंने बैंक में एफडी करवाई, तो एवरी ईयर मुझे 4,000 का इंटरेस्ट मिलता था, तो 4,000 आज मिलेंगे, 4,000 एक साल के बाद मिलेंगे, 4,000 2 साल के बाद, 3 साल के बाद, तो क्या वो अमाउंट सेम रहेगी? नहीं. Every year there is a decline in the value of the money. That's why we called a discounted payback period. A payback period means the years required to get the or to recover the initial investment. But here discounted payback period means first we calculate the discounted case inflow. Discounted case inflow means a present case inflow of future benefits. Are you getting my point? Discounted payback period क्या है? Discounted case inflow क्या है? Okay. Let me share one more practical question to understand this. Okay. See here. Siddharth Limited is applying a project of an initial capital of 15,600. तो प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्ट कितना है यहाँ पे? Project cost, all my dear, how many rupees? 15,600. Okay. Now read the details. In its case, inflows are 7,000, 3,000, 8,000, 5,000, and 4,000. The expected rate of return on capital investment is 10% per annum. Calculate the discounted payback period. Okay, whatever we have done up to this, we will do the same. First we write years, then we write case inflow in terms of rupees. Okay, tell me how many years are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Case flow for the first year, 7,000, 3,000, 8,000, 5,000 and 4,000. These two columns are clear. Just I have copy paste from the question. Okay. Now which payback period we need to calculate? Discounted. Okay, so whenever discounted payback period is there, first of all we need to find a discounting factor. Discounting factor is also known as required rate of return. It is also known as inflation rate. Discounting factor means कि कितने परसेंटेज से एवरी ईयर मनी की जो वैल्यू है वो डिक्लाइन हो रही है. In our case, its expected rate of return is 10%. It means every year there is a decline in the value of the money by 10%. Are we clear about discounting factor? जिस फैक्टर से हम केस इनफ्लो को डिस्काउंट करते हैं, जिस फैक्टर से जिस परसेंटेज से मनी की वैल्यू कम हो रही है वो परसेंटेज. एंड जनरली it is a discounting factor. In other language it is inflation rate. In economics language, okay, and in financial language it is expected rate of return. Some of authors said expected rate of return, some of authors said discounting factor. So here how many percentage is given to you? Discounting factor is 10%. Discounting factor is 10%. Okay. How we find this one? Discounting factor कैसे find करते हैं? I have explained you in the time value of money concept, specifically in present value concept. There are two ways, okay? There are two ways. Number one, you can use a table of present value. Okay, present value or discounting factor. Please go to your Google Classroom and open the material. Okay. Unit 1, part 2, time value of money. In that time value of money, see, FV and PV tables is given to you. मिला सबको? और एल्स अगर इतना झंझट नहीं करना है तो मैं आपको सिंपली सिखाता हूँ. ओके, जब भी डिस्काउंटिंग फैक्टर आया ना तो हाउ टू फाइंड द डिस्काउंटिंग फैक्टर मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ. डिस्काउंटिंग फैक्टर इज इक्वल टू 100 अपॉन, याद आया किसी को? 100 upon, here how many percentage we have? We have 10%, so 100 upon 110. Tell me the answer. Hundred upon 10. Sorry, 110. It's 0.909. 0.909. Like this. Okay, if you have simple calculator, then again मैंने आपको कुछ बताया था कि इक्वल प्रेस करना है, मल्टीप्लाई प्रेस करना है, इक्वल प्रेस करना है, इक्वल प्रेस करना है. याद है किसी को? If you are using a simple calculator, just do this calculation. Now press the sign of multiplying. Then after again press the sign of equal for a second time. मैं आपको वापस से रिपीट करता हूँ एक बार. अगर आपने नहीं किया तो वापस से मेरे साथ करो. कैलकुलेटर है आप सबके पास? You have a calculator with you right now, everyone? Okay, type 100 लिखो upon 110, 100 upon 110. Now press the sign equal. You will get 90909090 like this. Am I right? एक बार आपने इक्वल प्रेस कर दिया, आपकी स्क्रीन पे आंसर आ जाएगा 0.90909. नाउ प्रेस द साइन मल्टीप्लाई. Press the sign multiply and now second time press the equal. फर्स्ट टाइम हमने प्रेस कर दिया था, अब जब हम प्रेस करेंगे तो सेकंड टाइम होगा. अब प्रेस करो. क्या आंसर आया? It's 0.861 like something. 100 upon 110 किया, इक्वल प्रेस किया. ओके, वापस से मल्टीप्लाई का साइन प्रेस किया, उसके बाद इक्वल साइन प्रेस किया तो आंसर मिलेगा 0. यहाँ पे मैं लिखता जाता हूँ. यहाँ पे हमें मिला था 0.909090 ऐसा है. ओके, तो मैं ये 9 को नहीं लिखता, यहाँ पे 1 कर देता हूँ. और यहाँ पे मिला है 0. 0.8264. Am I right? Okay, now press the again equal. अब सिर्फ आपको इक्वल ही प्रेस करना है, दूसरी बार इक्वल प्रेस करो, तीसरी बार, वैसे तो तीसरी बार होगा, वापस से इक्वल प्रेस करो। अब जितने इयर्स का चाहिए उतने टाइम इक्वल प्रेस करते जाओ, आपको आंसर मिलता जाएगा। इन द थर्ड ईयर 0.7513, 0.6830 and 0.6209. Are we clear up to this one? Okay, this is the best way to calculate the discounting factor. Suppose some people say, sir, right now we does not have calculator, so I can show you here. See, this table is visible to you, everyone. Table number 3 of present value. Okay, see here in this table, how many percentage? 10% we have here. In a 10%, now look at to number 1 to 10. देखो आपने जो लिखा वही है 0.9091, 0.8264, 0.7513, 0.6830, 0.6209, 0.5464 in the 6th year. Okay, are you getting my point? Because we have only up to the 5th year, so we have look at only for 5th years only. We have not look at for a 6th year. Are we clear about this one? How to get discounting factor, how to calculate discounting factor. दोनों रास्ते मैंने आपको दिखा दिए, एक किस तरह से कैलकुलेटर पे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, दूसरा किस तरह से टेबल में दिखते हैं। अब उसके बाद होगा नेक्स्ट वन, इसका नाम है डिस्काउंटेड कैश इनफ्लो। नेक्स्ट वी हैव डिस्काउंटेड कैश इनफ्लो। इट मीन्स अगर मैं इसका नाम नंबर दे दूं, ओके, सभी कॉलम को, so it means this is the number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, number 4. So here 4 means, this 4 means multiplication of 2 into 3, case inflow into discounting factor. You will get discounted case inflow. Do the calculation. Are you getting the same answer? 6363, 2479, 6010, 3415, 2483.6. चलो इस पॉइंट को मैं रिमूव कर देता हूं ताकि आपको क्लियर हो जाए। और all of you are getting the same answers? कश्यप बेटा इसको प्लस नहीं करना है, इसको मैं मल्टीप्लाई करना है। ओके, दैट्स ऑल। अप टू दिस स्टेज समथिंग इज डिफरेंट। नाउ फ्रॉम दिस स्टेप्स we follow the same method. Okay, now look at to the initial cost. Initial cost is how many? 15,700. Do the sum total for the first year 6364. Okay, in the second year 6364 plus 2479 plus करते जाओ one by one. In the second year we will get 6364 plus 2479, we will get 8,843. In the third year, 8,843 plus 6010. You will get 14,853 plus 3415. Your answer is 18,268, and last one plus 2484. Answer is 20752. My calculation is right. Okay. Now, coming to the concept payback period. Here, payback period means in which year we will get this full amount 15,600. In which year? ये दोनों में से कौन से year में? On the fourth year. If you see the third year, 14,853 is there. On a fourth year, company will get the fully recovery. So write down the formula and you will get the answer. Formula remains same. There is no change in a formula. Okay. Year before fully recovery plus unrecovered amount upon case flow during the year. This formula remains same. There is no change in a formula. But here payback period. But which payback period? Discounted. So DPBP. नाम क्या देंगे हम? Discounted payback period. Okay, and that discounted payback period means year before fully recovery plus unrecovered amount upon case inflow during the year. अब देखो, year before fully recovery, year on fully recovery is fourth year. So third year plus unrecovered amount. Now compare the case inflow, total case inflow of third year and fully amount. Full amount is 15,600. Okay, and on the third year, up to the third year, our case inflow is 14853. The difference is nearby 7,000. 700. Okay, so it's 747. I'm right. So plus 747 upon case inflow during the year. अब कौन से ईयर में फुल्ली रिकवरी हुई है? इन द फोर्थ ईयर. लुक एट टू द केस इन्फ्लो फॉर द फोर्थ ईयर. Case inflow for the fourth year, how many rupees? 5,000. Please remember, I have written the same formula and I am using the case inflow during the year. I am not using a discounted case inflow. मैंने कैलकुलेट किया है, लेकिन वो मैं प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन कैलकुलेट करने के लिए यूज कर रहा हूँ, फॉर्मूला में यूज नहीं कर रहा हूँ. सो 3 plus 747 upon 5,000. It's 0.1494 and the final answer is 3.1494 years. Are we clear about this practical question? Any doubt, any query? Okay, last thing, last 1 minute. Okay, suppose some question papers, some people are smart and they ask that please write an answer exit in years and month. Calculate the payback period in years and months. So if somebody asks to write a month, okay, you can write like this: 3 years plus जो भी आंसर मिले 0.1494 into 12, because in a 1 year we have 12 months. So just do the calculations, you will get the answer 3 years एंड जो भी आंसर मिले वो हमारे मंथ्स होंगे. कितना होगा? 0.1494 इंटू 12. क्या होगा आंसर? 1.79. तो मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूं 2 months. Are we clear about this one? So exit. Okay, if you multiply this amount with 365, you will get exit days. करके देखो आपको एग्जैक्ट आइडिया मिल जाएगा. 0.1494 into 365. How many days you will get? Nearby 54 or 55. 54.53, it means 55. Are we clear? ओके अगर मंथ पूछे तो हम 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डेज पूछे तो 365 से. Okay, so with this we will end this session. Okay, in the next class we will go for the next method and next practical questions. Meanwhile, we have Janmashtami vacation, so enjoy the vacation and wishing you a very very happy Janmashtami. Enjoy your festivals. Have a nice day and take care. Bye bye.